In this lecture, we will review destiny and values. In all cultures and at all times, humans have sought to make sense of their existence. Man's search for meaning is a quest as ancient as the dawn of human consciousness. It is well established that a sense of purpose is necessary for psychological health and in turn for human adaptation and survival. Destiny may be defined as 1. Something that is to happen or has happened to a particular person or thing. 2. The predetermined course of events. 3. The power or agency that determines the course of events. 4. This power personified or represented as a goddess. And 5. The destinies or fates. Again, as stated before in a previous lecture, in order to utilize the proven system for success strategies and lead-in theories provided in this text and lectures, you must be specific about your life's purpose and or destiny and your definition of success. Destiny is often seen as either a fixed sequence of events that is irreversible and unchangeable, or that individuals choose their own destiny by choosing different paths throughout their life. This text and lecture encourages the learner to choose the latter. We must develop the mindset of choosing our own destiny and creating a healthy, positive life vision. We must not sit stagnant and wait for life to pass us by using negative conditioned patterns of habitual thoughts and behaviors. We must choose to acquire wisdom and knowledge of proven systems leading to our own chosen destiny. The mystery element will assist you in your journey. Destiny is different than fate. Destiny, as stated by psychiatrist Alexander Lowen, is related to the word destination. It refers to what we become, whereas fate described what one is. Destiny is what we do with fate. Part of each person's fate includes a personal destiny, but whether that destiny is fulfilled or not depends in part on the person and whether he or she is willing to accept responsibility for and contagiously pursue that destiny. Rick Warren states that the first thing you must do is recognize the gifts God has given to you. These gifts are cards you were dealt in life. They include things you can't control: your parents, your nationality, your race, your language. They also include your shape, your spiritual gifts, heart, abilities, personality, and experiences. These are the things that make you uniquely you. In order to know your destiny, you have to know your talents and decide how to use them. Bonnie Lonsberry suggests that you can discover your destiny in 3 steps. 1. Accept the easy part first: overall destiny and personal destiny. 2. Follow your excitement. Your destiny isn't out there, it's in you. What you have the ability to be absolute genius at, and what will bring you more joy and money, should you allow it, than anything else on the planet. 3. Change the beliefs that keep you stuck. It's one thing to read these words or listen to me speak of them and hope you can discover your destiny. It's another altogether to actually do it. Now let's talk about values. Barry Lubinstein, president of the Institute for Leadership in Medicine, poses a very in-depth concept of ethics, values, and character. Values have been defined as a set of deeply held, socially shared beliefs that serve as standards which guide us to the positions that we take on various social, ideological, political, and religious issues. Your values form the foundation of your life. They dictate the choices you make and determine the direction that your life takes. Your values will influence your decisions related to your relationships, career, and other activities you engage in. Despite this importance, few people choose their values. Instead, they simply adopt the values of their parents and the dominant values of society. Our values stem from our daily habits that ultimately becomes our destiny. We must learn to condition ourselves with a positive mindset and adapt new positive daily habits to create a healthy vision and life purpose.